Choosing a screen recorder? Compare speed, clarity, and sharing. Most recorders, bulky, manual edits, hard to share quickly. They waste time trimming, annotating, and re-recording mistakes. Developers need concise bug reports, not long, messy videos. Product managers need clear demos that stakeholders actually understand. Support teams want fast, polished replies to customer issues. Compare features: recording quality, workflow capture, and AI editing. Regular tools: high-quality capture, but manual clipping and no automation. Some apps auto-capture flows but deliver unpolished raw footage. Sharing options often limited: big files, complex links, restricted access. Now see Flonnect against traditional recorders in real use. Start recording a bug, browser tab, console logs, and steps. Regular recorder captures video only, missing metadata and context. Flonnect records screen plus workflow, console, and click data. Regular editing, manual cuts, captions, and awkward transitions. Flonnect's AI auto-edits, adds captions, and polishes footage. Result comparison: raw clip versus concise. Annotated Flonnect demo. Raw clip, long pauses, unclear steps, and no highlights. Flonnect demo. Trimmed highlighted clicks and automatic step labels. Sharing. Traditional link often expires or blocks external viewers. Flonnect sharing. Instant links, embed options, and permission controls. Speed test. Manual edit takes 20 minutes on average. Flonnect AI finishes polishing in minutes, not hours. Accuracy. Flonnect preserves exact clicks, inputs, and timestamps. That accuracy matters for reproducible bug reports and demos. Integration. Export to trackers or share with teammates instantly. Traditional workflow. Copy links, adjust permissions, and re-upload. Flonnect streamlines, one-click share with role-based access settings. Cost comparison. Pay for editors, extra storage, and wasted hours. AppSumo deal makes Flonnect affordable for teams and individuals. Who benefits most? Developers, product managers, and support engineers. Developers. Reproducible bug videos that reduce triage time significantly. PMs. Fast polished demos that speed stakeholder approvals and feedback. Support. Clear replies with steps, visuals, and attachment context. Demo walkthrough. Record, let AI edit, then preview polished result. Visual difference. Cluttered timeline versus clean. Annotated final video. Trust. Accuracy of capture preserves developer confidence and replication. Product advantage summary: faster, smarter, and easier collaboration. Buying advice: choose Flonnect if you value time and clarity. Grab the AppSumo deal to maximize team productivity affordably today. Final reminder: turn workflows into demos and bug reports automatically. AI polish saves minutes and delivers professional-looking videos fast. See the side-by-side. Flonnect versus regular recorders. Choose wisely. Click the AppSumo link now and start recording better today.